Hi guys! Happy Sunday! A blessed Sunday afternoon from Hong Kong! Welcome to my channel at Elisa Paguirigan, and today I did not go out again, and I just want to share to you, and my topic today is I unboxing my gift last 2020 pa, and hindi ko pa nagamit at hindi ko pa nakita kung ano itong nandito sa loob ng paper bag. Yan. Fascial Gun. There is a brochure. It's an English. And also, there are 4 different for massage. This one is the round ball and the flat one. And this is the plug, the adapter. It's a massage gun massager. For your paint muscles, pwede ito guys, sa mga joinings, new head, ball head for large muscles, small round heads for joints, and small flat heads for all parts of the body. Okay guys, let's try. Ito guys, when you connect this one, there is a 3 adjustment. Can be low, medium, and high. If you want to make more strong, can push this or press this button. And this is the small or low adjustment. And when you press 2 times, it can be high more. Yan. And then can be higher, more strong. This one. So nice to put in your belly. Yan. And this flat heads is for all parts of the body. The joints one. Join your body. Joints like this one. Yeah. Can also put nice. Okay. It is good guys, this one for the leg starts and also for a long standing legs, and when you are tardy excused body, especially when you are busy works. This is good for you guys, nakakatulong and can help you for relaxing your muscles. You can do it at night after your works. Guys, thanks for watching guys. See you next on my video, and please like and share and comments down below and subscribe my channel at Elisa Paguirigan. Have a great day guys and have a great night. Bye bye.